Hello viewers. So today we're going to see how to declare the functions. So what's generally mean by functions? So function is like a group of variables or some kind of operations. You can group together in a functions and you can call wherever you want. So here we're going to see some simple functions which is very basic for the JavaScripts. So I going to create how to declare the function. So let's use the function. So I name it the function message. Okay, so this function is a okay, this is the simple function which going to alert me just hello. Okay, okay, so this function uh, we didn't have any kind of dynamic value here. We just this function which contains just one alert message called hello, and I going to take it one more copy of this. Okay, so here I going to pass param. So parameter, what it will do is so whatever the param which is wherever we are using this function, so you can assign the parameter so that we can pass dynamically and it's return the output as dynamic. So here you see the difference. So one is the function which has no parameter, so it's alert only the hello whenever every time calls. But the second function is looks like dynamic, okay, which whatever the param value, okay, so which going to alert. So here I going to call this a to function. Okay, so here the second function we can name it as something show message dynamically. Okay, we call it as name as dynamically to avoid confuse dynamic. Okay, okay, that is a to function. Okay, so here, sorry, here I going to pass some value called uh, tutorial. Okay, so now I going to refresh and see the output of this to function. So here what I declare the to function. So this function I called in on load of my page. I didn't write any other logic. So this function, so with has no param I am calling, and the second function show message dynamic, I assigned one string variable which is tutorial, which going to alert me dynamically. Okay, let's go and refresh the page. See, the first message I got hello. Let's okay. See, the second message alert I got tutorial, because the second function it's declaring. So because function it's first it's execute this one, then it's second. So here I can change something tutorial to tutorials. Okay, so still I'm calling the to method, but I change the parameter. So the first function default it's alert me the hello, which we can't modify, but second with the parameter whatever we assigned it's alerting me. So now you understand the function declaration and how to do some operation dynamically with a param. So hopes you understand the function declaration. uh, I will see you in the next tutorial of JavaScript. Thanks for watching the video.